Hello and welcome to another macrocosm video. Astronomers have coined the term cosmic noon to describe a remarkable epoch in the history of our universe, characterized by frenzied galaxy mergers and intense star formation. However, observing these mergers has proven challenging due to their rarity and the youthfulness of the universe at that time, only 3 billion years old. Nonetheless, astronomers have recently made a groundbreaking discovery, providing evidence of a cosmic noon merger by detecting a pair of energetic quasars residing in close proximity within the same galactic neighborhood. Galaxies undergo growth and transformation by engaging in mergers with other galaxies. During these mergers, billions of stars mingle together, akin to a cosmic smoothie, and the blending of stellar materials often fuels the birth of numerous new stars. In certain instances, these energetic concoctions provide an abundant feast for the supermassive black hole residing at the core of the galaxy, triggering heightened activity that manifests as bright and energetic electromagnetic emissions. Astronomers refer to these luminous entities as quasars, employing a combination of advanced, ground-based, and space-based telescopes, including Lab's Gemini North Telescope situated in Hawaii. A team of astronomers has identified not one but 2 quasars situated in close proximity. Astonishingly, these quasars are a mere 10,000 light-years apart, suggesting that the galaxies hosting them are on a trajectory towards merging and eventually forming a colossal elliptical galaxy. Discovering such a system of 2 supermassive black holes in such close proximity during the early stages of the universe is an incredibly challenging endeavor, akin to locating a needle in a haystack. Distinguishing between the 2 black holes is no easy feat, and it requires both black holes to actively consume matter and radiate as quasars simultaneously, which is a rare occurrence. To validate their groundbreaking discovery, astronomers employed the Gemini Multi-Object Spectrograph, GMOS, and NIRS instruments and the Gemini North Telescope in Hawaii. These instruments facilitated precise measurements of the distance between the 2 quasars, ultimately confirming their nature as quasars and solidifying the authenticity of the find. Armed with this remarkable discovery, astronomers eagerly anticipate delving into detailed investigations of how galaxies evolved during cosmic noon, unraveling the growth patterns of supermassive black holes in the early universe, and determining the frequency at which galaxy mergers transpire. Through these endeavors, scientists aim to unlock the mysteries surrounding the transformative processes that shaped our universe during this extraordinary period. Amazing fact: galaxy spanning quasars can be created as a result of galactic mergers. Some of these mergers may produce gigantic elliptical galaxies with many billions of times the mass of the sun's black holes. The discovery of these twin quasars is exceedingly uncommon and exciting because data suggests that only one supermassive black hole out of every 100 should be actively consuming at any given time. And that's all for today. Hope you like this video. Stay connected to get more knowledge about the space. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.